Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint a beautiful farmhouse inspired dresser and how to add wood planks to an old dresser. This dresser needed a lot of repair. It was boring, brown, and quite square. I wanted to add a plank top to make it look more farmhouse inspired. Fill in some original drawer holes because there was 2 missing. I'm going to add new pulls. I'm going to use a beautiful color today called drop cloth. My favorite brush to use by Dixie Belle is my flat medium. It's light in my hand and has a great edge for precise details. Since I'm adding some new pulls, I spray painted them all the same color so that they would match. When sourcing your lumber, make sure your planks are flat and straight. Check for any knots or damages. After measuring, I always check twice. I cut the boards to size using my chop saw. You can soften the edges by using your sander. You can also use sandpaper for this job. I used some old stain that I had in the shed. I wanted to mix 2 colors, walnut and ebony. This provides a more rustic look. I drilled down from the top because I'm not strong enough to drill from the inside, as well as the fact that these drawers do not come out all the way. I choose these black drywall screws because I really like the rustic look and feel that they provide the top of the surface. After my 2 coats of drop cloth had dried, I used a dry brush technique using a color burlap just to darken the edges a little bit. I sealed the entire base with Best Dang Wax and Clear using my wax brush. I then sealed the top with a clear coat in satin, 2 coats to prepare the surface. All products used in this short video can be found in the information below. Don't forget to follow me on all social media at the Top Drawer RVA. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos.